Very good morning. This is Bharat Kumar. You are going to see Standard 9th Max continuation of exercise 3.14 question number 4. On selling a TV at 5% gain and a fridge at 10% gain, a shopkeeper gains rupees 2000. But if he sells the TV at 10% gain and the fridge at 5% loss, he gains rupees 1500 on the transaction. Find the actual price on the TV and the fridge. My dear students, see children, this question they given TV and fridge. Okay, on selling TV at 5% gain means plus, okay, positive, okay, profit, and fridge at 10% gain, again gain means profit. Okay, so first condition, TV, he sells TV at 5% gain and fridge at 10% gain, a shopkeeper gains, okay, he get a profit of rupees 2000. Then second condition also is given, he sells the TV at 10% gain, so plus, and fridge at 5% loss means it is minus, he gains, again gains means profit, rupees 1500. You are going to find the actual price of the TV and actual price of the fridge. It's clear children, so let us see. Solution, we consider, let the cost price of TV, you have to name it as, let the cost price of the TV be what? X. Okay, let the cost price of the fridge be Y. Okay, what is the first condition? Yes, TV at 5% gain and fridge at 10% gain, a shopkeeper gains rupees 2000. So this is the condition. Okay, first condition. It's clear children, right? Now 5% gain, 5% means 5 divided by 100. So we are talking about TV is what? X, plus 10% gain, 10 by 100, fridge is Y, a shopkeeper gains rupees 2000. It's clear children. Now 5 ones are 5 20 times, 0 get cancelled. It's clear children. So X by 20 plus Y by 10 is equal to 2000. Okay, now you're going to take LCM. So X by 20 plus Y by 10 multiply and divide by 2 to get 20 as an LCM, 2000. Now X by 20 plus 2Y by 20 equal to 2000. So when you take LCM, X plus 2Y by 20 equal to 2000. So X plus 2Y cross multiply, 20 into 2, that is 40,000. It's clear children, equal to 40,000. X plus 2Y equal to 40,000. You consider this as equation number 1. It's clear children. Now according to second condition, a TV at gains 10% gains and fridge at 5% loss, his shopkeeper gains rupees 1500. So 10 by 100, TV is X, plus fridge at 5% loss means what? Minus. Okay, so 5 by 100 loss means minus, 5 by 5% loss. So what is fridge? Y equal to 1500. Now 10x by 100 plus into minus 5 by 100, 5y by 100 equal to 1500. Okay, so when you take LCM, 10x minus 5y by 100 is equal to 1500. Okay, so we can take 5 as outside, 5 2 times and 5 1 time, by 100 equal to 1500. So 5 ones are 5 20 times. Okay, so 2x minus y is equal to 2 into 15 30, so 0 and 2 0. So So 30,000. You consider this as equation number 2. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now I am going to balance y, right? So first equation into 1, second equation into 2. So when you multiply, what you get, children? 1 into x plus 2y equal to 40,000. So multiply 2 with second equation. 2 2s are 4x minus 2y. 30,000 into 2 is 60,000. So no need to change sign. So already plus minus is there. So eliminate plus 2y and minus 2y. 4x plus 1x is 5x. So 0 0 0 0. 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 lakh. X is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 by 5. 5 2s are 10. 0 0 0 0. X is equal to 20,000. X equal to rupees 20,000. That is cost of the fridge. Cost of the TV. Substitute x equal to 20,000. X equal to 20,000 in equation 1. First equation is what? First equation is x plus 2y. X plus 2y equal to 40,000. It's clear, children? X plus 2y is equal to 40,000. Now you are going to substitute x value as 20,000. 20,000 plus 2y equal to 40,000. So 2y equal to 40,000 minus 20,000. It's clear, children? So 2y equal to 40,000 minus 20,000 is 20,000. Y is equal to 20,000 divided by 2. 2 how many times? 1 time. That is 10,000. So y is equal to rupees 10,000. It's clear, children? Therefore cost price of a TV. Cost price of a TV we consider as x, that is equal to rupees 20,000. It's clear, children? Then cost price of a fridge is rupees 10,000. It's clear, children? This is easy sum. Try an important sum. It's clear, children? Now we can see next sum. Question number 5. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:6. If 8 is subtracted from each of the numbers, the ratio becomes 4:5. Find the numbers. Children, read the question carefully. So what is given? Two numbers is given. Okay, are given in ratio 5:6. That is the first condition. And second condition, 8 is subtracted from each of the numbers. Each of the numbers means two numbers. Okay, two numbers you have to subtract 8. And ratio becomes 4:5. Okay, you have to find the numbers. Okay, children. Now here numbers, two numbers. They have not mentioned the particular number. So we have to consider a number. So solution, let the numbers be. Let the two numbers be. Okay, so let the two numbers be. You consider as x and y. Okay, two numbers be, x as first number or y as second number. It's clear? Two numbers. So what is the first condition? Condition 1. Condition 1. What is the first condition? Two numbers. Okay, two numbers are in ratio is given. Ratio 5:6. Two numbers are in ratio 5:6. So two numbers are ratio means is okay, right, equal to 5:6. This first number I consider as x, second number as y. So x is to y equal to 5:6. So I can write x by y as a fraction equal to 5/6. So cross multiply children, what you get? 6 into x, 6x, that is equal to 5 into y, 5y. Okay, so you make it as an equation. So 6x minus 5y, you transfer plus y to left side, will become minus 5y, that is equal to 0. You consider this as equation number 1. It's clear children. Now condition 2. What is the condition 2 is given? Yes, condition 2 is if 8 is subtracted from each number. 8 is subtracted from each number. 8 is subtracted from each of the numbers in ratio 4:5. Okay, 4:5. It's clear children. Okay, now 8 is subtracted. How many numbers? 2 numbers. Okay, 2 numbers. Right, now 2 numbers means subtract from means I consider first number as x minus 8. Okay, is to y minus 8, both each number 2 numbers. So x minus 8 is to y minus 8 because given as ratio, that is equal to 4:5. It's clear children. Now x by 8 divided by y by 8, you can write like this, equal to 4/5. So you are going to cross multiply. 5 into x minus 8 is equal to 4 into y minus 8. Now simplify children. 5 into product. 5 into x, 5x. Plus into minus, minus. 5 8s are 40. Is equal to 4 into y, 4y. Plus into minus, minus. 4 8s are 32. It's clear children. Now 5x. You transfer plus 4y to the side, become minus 4y, equal to minus 40 become plus 40 minus 32. So 5x minus 4y equal to 8. You consider this as equation number 2. Now equation 1, we have what you have found? 6x minus 5y equal to 0. And what about the second equation? 5x minus 4y equal to 8. See children, now I am going to eliminate y, right? If I want to eliminate y, just you cross multiply first equation and second equation. First equation with 4 and second equation with 5. Multiply first equation with 4. 4 6 are 24x minus 4 5s are 20y. 4 into 0, 0. 5 into 5, 25x. 5 into 5, 25x. 5 into 4s are 20 minus 20. Y equal to 5 8s are 40. Change the sign, minus plus minus. So 24x minus 25x is minus x, plus 20y and minus 20y and plus 20y is eliminated. 0 minus 40 is minus 40. It's clear children. Now minus minus cancel, so x is equal to 40. So minus minus eliminate, so x is equal to 40. It's clear children. Substitute the value of x equal to 40 in equation 1. First equation is what? 6x minus 5y equal to 0. Right? So wherever x is there, you put what value as 4. 6 into 40, x as 40. 40 minus 5y equal to 0. Okay, so 6 4s are 24. 240 equal to, transfer this side, become plus 5y. 240 by 5 equal to y. 5 4s are 24. 5 8s are 40. So y is equal to, yes, that is 48. It's clear children. Therefore the two numbers are 40 and 48. It's clear children. Okay, the question is given in, they ask in ratio. No, they ask in ratio, you can write 40:48. Okay, but two numbers only they ask. So numbers are 40 and 48. It's clear children. See children, this is the solution. Suppose they ask in ratio. If it is ratio means x is to y will take. Okay, ratio means x is to y. So 40 is to 48. Okay, so 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48. So this is in ratio. They ask, you can write children, otherwise no need. Only the two numbers they ask, so two numbers. Additionally, they ask ratio, you have to write like this. It's clear children? So we have completed question number 5. Question number 6. 4 Indians and 4 Chinese can do a piece of work in 3 days, while 2 Indians and 5 Chinese can finish it in 4 days. How long would it take for 1 Indian to do it? How long would it take for 1 Chinese to do it? Children, here 4 Indians and 4 Chinese. The people work. Okay, actually this is a time people work. Okay, so time taken, actually we have to consider for 1 day. Okay, work done. Okay, time is given and we have to consider as work done. Okay, for example, here Indian and Chinese is given. Okay, Indian and Chinese are doing the work. Okay, so when you do the work, what will happen? Main time is very very important. Okay, so I consider let the time taken, let the time taken by an Indian. Okay, Indian B, I consider as X, B Indian. Okay, time taken by Indian. Let the time taken by a Chinese be Y. Okay, this is time taken children. Then what about work done? Actually we have to find the work done. Okay, what about work done? Oh, work done by an Indian in 1 day. First, by an Indian in 1 day. So 1 day I consider as X. Okay, time taken as X, work done is 1 by X. Same way, work done by a Chinese in 1 day is 1 by Y. Okay, what is the first condition is given? 4 Indians and 4 Chinese finish the work in 3 days. So now condition 1. Condition 1. What is given condition 1? 4 Indians plus 4 Chinese finish the work in 3 days. Okay, that is work done. So both the Indians and Chinese, both of them together finish the work in 3 days. Okay, a work is given, so automatically you have to write in fraction. So 4 by Indian is what? 1 by X. Okay, work 1 by X. Work done is 1 by X plus 4 into work done by Chinese is what? 1 by Y. Okay, so both of them finish the work in 3 days. That means 1 by 3. So this is work done. Okay, so 4 by X. Okay, I consider let 1 by X is equal to A and 1 by Y equal to D. Okay, so it's a fraction, so you change this. So 4 into, in the place of 1 by X A, 4 into 1 by Y as B is equal to 1 by 3. Taking LCM, 3 into 4A plus 4B equal to 1. Clear children? Just cross multiply. Right? Now 3 4s are. 3 4s are what? 3 4s are 12A plus 3 into 4s are 12B is equal to 1. You consider this as equation number 1. It's clear children? Next, what is the condition 2 is given? Condition 2 is condition 2. So condition 2 is 2 Indian and 5 Chinese can finish it by in 4 days. So 2 Indian, it's given as 2 Indian plus 5 Chinese finish the work in how many days? Yes, it is 4 days. Okay, here also work done is given. So 2 into Indian work done. Okay, work done by Indian is what? 1 by x. 5 into work done by Chinese is what? 1 by y. That is equal to work done by both is what? 4. That is 1 by 4. It's clear, children? Now 2 by 2 input 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y equal to b, or let, right, 2 into, in the place of 1 by x you put a, 5 into 1 by y is b, is equal to 1 by 4. Now children, you are going to cross multiply, right? Cross multiply. Cross multiply. 4 into 2a plus 5b equal to 1. 4 2s are 8a, 4 5s are 20b equal to 1. Now you consider this as equation number 2. Equation number 2. Now you are going to balance the equation, children. Actually you can eliminate a. Okay, you want to balance here, so you can multiply this with 2. 12 2s are 24, 3 8s are 24. Okay, so this way also you can, otherwise cross multiplication method also you can do, right? So equation 1 into equation 2 into, okay, so you have to balance this 8. Okay, so otherwise cross multiply, children. Okay, it's not a problem, cross multiply. So if I want to cancel this, first equation into a, second equation into 12, right? Right. 8 2s are 16, carry 1, 8 plus 1 9, 96a plus 12 into 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 96, 96b is equal to 12 into 1 12. Now sorry, 8, okay, 8 into 1 8. It's clear, children? Now second equation with 12. 12 8s are 96a, 12 into 2 240b is equal to 12 into 1 12. Change the sign, children. Cancel. Okay, 240 minus 96 is 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 3, that is 13. 10 11 12 13 4. 44b minus 144b equal to minus 4. b equal to minus 4 by minus 144. Minus minus cancel. 2 times 2 7s are 14. Again 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 6 are 12. b is equal to 1 by 36. b is equal to 1 by 36. It's clear, children? So we know that 1 by y we consider as b, right? So okay, we'll have b equal to 1 by 36. Now substitute b is equal to 1 by 36 in equation 1. Equation 1 is what? 12a plus 12b is equal to 1. 12a plus 12 into b value is what? 1 by 36. b value substitute as 1 by 36 equal to 1, right? Now 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 2, 6 3s are 18. So 12a plus 1 by 3 equal to 1. So 12a is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. It's clear, children? 12a is equal to 3 minus 1 by 3, taking LCM. 12a is equal to 2 by 3. a is equal to 2 by 3 into, bring this 12 here. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. a is equal to 1 by 6 3s are 18. So a is equal to what? 1 by 18. It's clear, children? Now a is equal to 1 by 18 and b equal to 1 by. So what you have taken, actually you have to find x and y. Okay, time taken for one Indian is x, time taken by one Chinese is y we have taken, right? So 1 by, we have taken 1 by x is equal to a, and 1 by y equal to b. You have to change a as x and b as y. So 1 by x is equal to a value is what? 1 by 18. 1 by y equal to b value as 1 by 36. Substitute b as 1 by 36. Now cross product by children. 18 into 1 is 18. 1 into x is x. Therefore x is equal to 18. And 1 into 36 36. 1 into y y is equal to 36. It's clear, children? Now the time taken by a 1 Indian is 18 days. It's clear, children? Time taken by 1 Chinese is 36 days. Okay, children, by this we are completing exercise 3.14. It's clear, children? Next, you are having multiple choice question. So practice all the multiple choice question. If you have any doubts, you can ask your subject teacher. It's clear, children? Your maths teacher. So by this we are completing algebra. We can see a new chapter. Okay, children. Bye. Thank you.